Hey lads, TechScanning here. Oppo launched its Reno 8 series last year and now the brand is setting up to launch its Reno 8T series specifically for the Asian market. Thankfully, the official renders are already out, showcasing a somewhat similar design that we saw on the Realme 10 series, the two big circular cutouts housing 3 camera sensors. And as you can see, there are two models. So the one with the flat display is the 4G variant, whereas the one with the curved display will be the 5G. Now a live video of the Reno 8T 5G and hands-on images of the 4G variant appeared online ahead of the launch. As expected, the Oppo Reno 8T 5G version sports a slightly curved display, and to be honest, it was quite a thin bezel on the chin, which is pretty impressive. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. It is said to have a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and just like the modern flagships, this will also provide an in-display fingerprint scanner. Next, we can spot the 108 megapixel portrait camera written below the camera island, which is confirming the early rumors. On the front, a 16 megapixel sensor will serve you as a selfie snapper. Moving to the 4G variant hands-on images, it shows the phone has a symmetrical bezels except for the chin, which is a bit thicker. Further, the punch hole style selfie camera will be given on the top left corner, which is different than the 5G version that has it on the center. It is said to come with a slightly smaller display than the 5G version, and so the 4G model will arrive with a 6.43 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Moreover, the hands-on image finally confirmed the early guesswork that the Reno 8T 4G version will hold MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, unlike the 5G version which holds the Snapdragon. For the cameras, the image shows there will be 100 megapixel main sensor combined with 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel micro sensor. As we speak of the battery capacity, both models will hold different capacities. So the Oppo Reno 8T 4G variant has a 5000 mAh of battery with 33 watt fast charging support, while the 5G variant has a slightly slashed 4800 mAh but increased 67 watt fast charging support. Software-wise, both variants will run on the Android 13 based ColorOS 13. The Oppo has already set up the official page of the Reno 8T series on its website, but the company didn't reveal the launch date so far. Anyway, the phone is expected to launch on the first week of February, most likely on the 6th of February. As for the price, speculation says the 5G variant will be around 30 to 32,000 rupees, while the 4G variant could be around 25 to 27,000. Frankly speaking, the 5G variant looks like a solid choice for daily usage as you got a pretty nice aesthetics, a 108 megapixel camera sensor and buttery smooth 120Hz display. What do you think about the Oppo Reno 8T series? Let me know in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.